Stumbled upon an RSS file and your browser just shows a wall of confusing XML code? That's actually a content syndication feed designed to deliver website updates directly to you. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to properly read and subscribe to these feeds. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your RSS file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. RSS files are XML-based web feed documents that publish frequently updated content from websites, blogs, and news sources in a standardized machine-readable format. They contain article titles, summaries, links, publication dates, and author information, enabling feed reader applications to aggregate content from multiple sources. RSS feed files follow the RSS 2.0 XML specification with a channel element containing title link and description metadata, followed by item elements for each content entry. Items include title description link, pubDate, and optional enclosure elements for podcast media attachments. The core professional tool for handling the RSS format is Google Chrome from Google LLC. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows can open them through local tools, yet their full intent is realized in online or hosted environments. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the RSS file and choose Open With. If Google Chrome is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the RSS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since this RSS format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, reading with a feed reader, copy the RSS file URL, or open the local file in a feed reader application such as Feedly InnoReader or the free Thunderbird email client. The reader parses the XML content and displays articles in a clean, readable format with links to the full content on the source website. Next, viewing RSS source code. Open the RSS file in any text editor or web browser to view the raw XML source. Browsers may display the XML tree structure or styled content depending on settings. Use a text editor like Notepad++ with XML syntax highlighting to inspect and validate the feed structure. Finally, creating and validating feeds. If you are authoring RSS feeds, validate your file using the W3C feed validation service at validatorw3.org.feed. Common errors include malformed XML missing required elements and incorrect date formats. Ensure all special characters are properly XML encoded to prevent parsing failures in feed readers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.